All right, y'all. You're back, and I'm back. And it's Queen Peasy doing some other miscellaneous videos. Okay? We're going to be doing a lot of stuff on my channel, you guys. So I hope that you will be taking this journey with me. Today, I got from Amazon these two packages. Okay? I ordered, as you can see, a professional nail art kit and a nail polishing drill. Okay, this is what the drill looks like. It's called K-Drum or whatever. That's the company that it came from, y'all. As y'all can see, my hands look horrible. I need my nails done ASAP, so I'm about to start to learn how to do my nails. These are the little files that came with 2 bags of sanding applications. This is the, looks like the power voltage box. This is the drill inside. So we're gonna open it up. I'm gonna do an unboxing. It's a little noisy, y'all, because my dog has decided to follow me down here. Y'all know he's my fur baby. He goes everywhere his mommy goes, so well. Okay? So that's what y'all hearing. But nail bits. More sanding applications. The drill itself. Okay. I believe this drill was like $25, y'all. I thought it was a pretty good price for it because I kept reading reviews upon reviews, and they kept telling me that certain drills were not good. They were flimsy. But this one looked like he was pretty good. So we're going to try him out. Like I said, we're going to be doing a lot of things on my channel, not just playing video games. We are also going to be doing nail, hair, whatever, you know. Okay, y'all, this is the nail kit. Okay, it's by Morovin. You can also get this same brand, I guess, off of Wish, which I have another one coming from Wish. And that one has a nail drill with it. You have the monomer. Now, I do not like these white tips, but I'm going to have to work with them. I've never done my nails myself, so I'm hoping I can get them to work out because you get like 200 nails. And they're all white, though. They don't give you any clear nails, okay? Some beads for decoration. Some glitter. This monomer stinks, by the way, okay, y'all? Because I did think something spilled, but it did not. It wasn't anything spilled. It's just monomer is real strong, okay? Brush to clean my nails. A new nail clipper. Some molds. These are adorable. They're little molds. I guess you can make your own little, like, nail art. Nail forms. Never use those either. Like I said, I've never done my nails before myself, so we'll see how this goes. Nail glue. Oops. Morovin UV gel. Pink. I won't be using the UV because I don't have my UV light. But more gel. More gel, clear. Top coat. Base coat. Nail glue. Nail glue. Dapping dish. Acrylic powder. Let's see if it can focus. I'm not sure what that, oh, it's white. Oops. Y'all, I keep dropping stuff. I'm clumsy. Another acrylic powder, pink. Okay. And this one probably is clear. Yeah. This is the acrylic powder, clear. Okay. More glitter. Buffer. Another buffer. Looks like some more glitter or some more things for nail art. I'm not sure if this is polish or just for nail art. I think it's just for nail art though, yo. Brushes, and they're very nice, but I do have some brushes because these look kind of, you know, if you look at the tips, they don't look very wide. So I have some wide ones upstairs that I'll probably be using. My roving file, which the file's pretty good, so I'll probably be using that. These are for your application of your jewels and things, and these are cute as well. You get 3 of them. So then I got some tweezers and a user's manual, because you know your mama gonna need it, because I don't know what I'm doing, y'all. But that's it. Thank you for joining Queen Peasy and her nail review, and I will let you guys know. I will be showcasing my nails to you so you can see how they turn out. Drill, nails. Peace out.